What's going on, y'all? So I'm gonna be going fishing here. Just gonna be going down to my canal. I'm gonna see if I can get some POV video for y'all. I've had this chest cam for a while. You know, if y'all have known me or followed me for a bit, you guys know I love fishing. So I'm gonna see what I can show y'all. So I've been coming to this spot for a long time. I've lived in this area since 2002. I've seen the construction. I've seen the destruction. I've seen all the changes happening. But one thing that doesn't change is the water. And being that nobody's really fished this in years, it's probably loaded. This spot here, I've been coming to for a long time. So, we're gonna see what we can catch. I've got some live bait, got some shiners from our local nursery around here, and I got a rod and hook. That's it. Very simple. So let's see what we can get into. My setup that I got is a nice Daiwa. It's a little 2500 series Regal. This rod, it's a Shakespeare. You won't find this anymore. Mainly because, again, it's an older rod, and I've had this rod for over 10 years, and there goes my bait, which is get this one going. Whoa. I don't know if y'all just heard that. But that was a whopper. That was a whopper right below us down here. Let's see what we can get into. When you're fishing with live bait, I'm not gonna lie, it's fairly easy. Right there. Boom. That's a fucking bass right there. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That is a bass, boy. That is a nice Florida bass. Wonderful. Wonderful catch. So, literally right after I cut off the camera, I was getting a message to connect my charger. I caught a fish, another bass. So, I'm gonna record a video when I get home of me releasing them in my pond. I'm not eating them, I'm just stocking my pond. So yeah, that's the first little bit of me doing this content shit. Let's see how it works out. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. Y'all will see the cuts of me releasing them. I probably need a bigger bucket for these guys. Gone. And Mr. Mongo here. That's a nice 12 to 15 inch, 2 to 3 pound bass right there.